So in today's video, we're gonna be creating kind of like a last minute party makeup look. You know, when you decide to go to a party last minute, or you kind of get invited after work or something like that. So it's gonna be like super easy to create, you know, festive party makeup look, or not necessarily festive, it would do any party. So without any further ado, let's start. So I'm gonna start from priming my eyelids. So for that, I'm gonna use a concealer, just a few dots, and then blend it through. By the way, I'm gonna use only like super affordable products as well. Okay, then we're gonna quickly set this in with a setting powder. For the eyeshadow, I'm gonna use the Revolution Reloaded Iconic Division palette. This costs only like £4 or £5 only. I'm gonna use this orangey copper color at first and a fluffy brush. I'm gonna go with this higher than my natural creases. So if your eyes open, you should be able to see this color. If you're looking at me thinking, oh my god, her face is so red, and it's because I got a thing called rosacea. So not the most fun to have, but easy to cover with the makeup, so I'm not complaining. So I'm taking the small lens brush in this darker brown color and gonna go once again in the same place as we placed the transition color, just closer to where the crease is. So we're kind of gonna do like a cut crease, because I want it to be slightly a bit more intense. Don't have to be super precise, as we're still gonna blend this, but the denser brush makes it a bit easier and more precise. Basically, want to go exactly on the place where your orbital bone is. So I'm coming back to the same fluffy brush I used before to apply this transition color, and just gonna soften this brown shadow that we just applied. By the way, no product on the brush at all, just what was on before. Alright, so for the outer corners, I'm coming back to this palette, the Iconic Division, and the same brown shade we just used. I'm gonna go on the outer corners in the C shape. So I'm taking small lens brush, but this one is slightly bit fluffier than the previous I used. So I'm basically going on the outer corner and dragging close to the lash line till the middle. Once again, I'm using the same fluffy brush that I used for transition color with no product at all, and I'm gonna blend all of this inwards. So we just applied on the outer corner. Coming back to this brown color, and gonna go on the lower lash line outer corners and kind of drag to the middle. So I want to kind of merge these colors together on the top lid and the bottom lid. And then taking this orange color, I'm gonna go in the eye corner till the middle on the lower lash line. So next thing I'm doing, I'm taking the Real Techniques brush called Brow Highlighting Brush. Really like this brush for highlighting under the brow, but I like to apply the glitter with that as well, because it's kind of cut off on the halfway through. You guys see, so it's perfect for like shimmer and glitter. So for our glitter, I'm gonna go with Foil Frenzy Fusion palette in this golden color. So I'm gonna wet the brush as I want this foil to be more intense. So I'm just reusing, like upcycling the little like a plastic bit that came with the brushes, with one of the Real Techniques brushes that was packed, as I like to upcycle and recycle things. So just gonna spray this part with setting spray and just gonna wet the brush like this, or you can spray directly, you know, having a brush on. But in this case, you kind of don't waste, you know, any setting spray as well. I'm gonna go inner eye corner to the middle, basically where we don't have a shadow yet. I'm gonna start from the inner eye corner and then go slightly bit up and drag more color up. I might change for darker color closer to the of the outer part. I don't know yet. So I'm gonna go in a eye corner to the middle, I'm taking this dark brown color and gonna go on the outer corners on the mobile lid, just like on this part to kind of blend through. So my brush is still wet. I'm using exactly the same brush. I'm just gonna kind of blend these colors together. This actually blends very nicely. So I'm coming back to this fluffy brush I used before to apply the transition color, and I'm gonna blend through the transition color that we applied before, this oil part, as I don't want it to be like super harsh or anything. Just want to soften up the edges a little bit. So just blending this part. So next step I'm gonna apply the eyeliner. You can skip this part or just use the eyeshadow instead of it. So the eyeliner is on. Next step is to apply the mascara or falsies or both. Because it's a party makeup, I'm gonna go with the falsies. So I'm gonna use the Fox Mink lashes by the company called Contrast Beauty in the style Cheeky. Just gonna apply these on and get back to you. Alright you guys, I gotta be honest, so I applied one lash on, beautiful lashes and all, like I can't complain, but I feel like it doesn't suit this makeup look. I don't know what you guys think. So I feel like it's a little bit too much. So I think what I'm gonna do rather, I'm gonna use the mascara and the Ardell's Magnetic Accents on the outer corners of the eye rather than the big lashes, as I really want, I'm just taking this off straight away, as I really want this shimmer to show up. Just gonna reapply the eyeliner because it went off to go with the lash. I thought I'm just gonna be, you know, honest with you and show that everyone does mistakes, you know, and it's okay. You try, you fail, you try again, right? Alright, mascara is on. Let's do the Magnetic Essence by Ardell. Alright, so falsies are on. This was super easy and super quick as I mentioned. So before we're gonna finish the eye look, as we still need to do the lower lash line and an eye corner, I'm gonna do face and then we are finished. So I'm just gonna quickly apply foundation, contour and all, and then we can finish off the eyes. Alright you guys, we're nearly there. I just want to finish off the eyes prior doing the lips. I think we need a little pop of a glitter, so I'm gonna add some glitter just in the inner eye corner. I'm gonna start from my glitter glue on a smoothness brush. Oh, hello there. That's what I'm talking about. brown. Yep. So we are nearly done. What we need to do is to fix a little bit lower lash line, because when I was applying the foundation, obviously I smudged it up a little bit. So I'm just gonna come back to that like smooth fluffy brush I used before, and this orangey color, and go all over it. And then outer corner we're gonna add a bit of this brown color. Alright, a bit of mascara and the eye is complete. This was actually very fast. And the eye's complete. So I'm just gonna apply the lippy, and I'm gonna come back to you. So I'm gonna apply the lippy separately though, because I want to do a quick review for these NYX lingerie push-up lippies. I've been actually obsessed with the NYX lingerie lipsticks. I have probably a whole collection of the original ones, and yeah, it's super long lasting, super easy to use and all. So I got quite a few of these now to test out, so probably gonna use them holding these two, because I'm thinking to use one of these two colors. I might just go for this nude one. I'm not sure. I think the nude lip will pair very nicely in here, or even the red lippy, or like a darker brown. It's totally up to you. As I mentioned, I'm gonna quickly jump in and film this review video for the NYX lingerie push-up lip, and I'm gonna come back to you with a finished look. But the eyes complete, super easy and quick, as you've seen, so perfect for last minute parties. And that's a finished look. So I filmed a quick review for the lippies, so eventually I went with the color seduction. So what do you guys think of this party makeup look? You know what I forgot to mention? So when I was filming this lippy review, I had a snack, obviously, I mean, it's not that obvious, but obvious to me. So I had a snack, and also I took more than half an hour to film my review and to have a snack and all. And you know, my eyes, this foil eyeshadow, this Foil Frenzy eyeshadow, Foil Frenzy Fusion by Makeup Revolution, it haven't creased or crumbled or anything. And by the way, my skin is super oily, that includes my eyelids, and usually any like shimmery glittery makeup like eyeshadow would crease really badly. This is like a dream. I talked about this eyeshadow palette in my previous videos. I did a full in-depth review for this as well. It's definitely up on my channel. But you guys, I forgot how good this palette is. So really hope you guys enjoyed watching this party makeup tutorial and you found this helpful. If you're gonna go and recreate this makeup look, please tag me in your pictures, as I would love to see those. And if you enjoyed watching this video and you found this helpful, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Honestly, you guys, you don't even know how much it will mean to me. I'll love you forever. And leave a comment down below, let me know what you would like to see next up on my channel, and I shall see you soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye. Have a great day, guys. See you soon.